Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Yeah, I'm sick again. Anyway, I wanted to share with you a happy mail that I received, and I wanted to go ahead and get this video done because there's some things in here I'm going to be using on a project I'm working on. But this came from Debra Reid Wilson, and I was so happy when I saw it. I mean, I was having a really bad day. I felt really bad. And this came in the mail, and it just made my day. Everybody knows how silly I am over laces. So she put me together a bag of laces. I'll try to get this ribbon off of here without messing up the laces. But look at this. Isn't this pretty? It's got like the silk with the lace underneath it and ruffled. It's, you know, it's a whole yard here. And it's funny because I have a hard time finding this color here. For some reason, I have a hard time finding this. And I always get someone ask me, can you make me such and such? Without fail, they always want lavender. So I really love getting this. Everybody knows my favorite colors are pink and yellow. And there is yellow in here. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Look at this. And it's beautiful lace, and there's a lot on here, too. So, Debra, I really, really love that you sent this to me. This is really pretty. I've never seen any like this here. I'll try to get it open. Oh. She tied him in a knot. This is adorable. Look at this. It's got like a bling on it, and the fabric, and then the lace underneath. This is adorable. I mean, if I was making those cork dolls, which I might make some, this would be an adorable little skirt on it, wouldn't it? And mint green. I love mint green. I absolutely love mint green. So she sent me some mint green. And this is like a crocheted lace. Debra, I gotta tell you, you can tie some serious knots, girl. Check this out. I love this. And I'm working on a secret garden journal, the Shabby Dabby Doodahs digital kit. And this is going to look beautiful in this journal. I'm thinking this one might be used on the cover of this journal. It's just gorgeous, dainty looking. And lots of whites. All different kinds. And this is made like the yellow. But all different kinds of whites, and some with some trims, and some light peach, and I just love them all. There's some thinner ones. I love this one. Look, it's like a little crochet lace type. Isn't it gorgeous? More yellows. These look good in that garden journal too. And a baby blue. Oh, that's real pretty. Look at that. That is really pretty. And I tell you why I'm like I am tonight. I went to the thrift stores today. And, you know, thrift stores are musky, moldy, and dusty. So, when I went to the vintage section, immediately I started getting congested and stopped up. I love this trim. Don't think I've ever seen anything like this either. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I mean, there is a lot of it in here, and I do appreciate it so much, Debra. I really do. Oh, look at this. Wow. I haven't seen anything like this either. That is beautiful. Wow. It's funny how different regions can get different types of things. There's a very light lavender. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is really pretty. So every piece of this will be used. There's some more mint green. This to me is the most valuable thing in the world as far as crafting goes, because we can't find it here. I don't know why, we just can't. I can't. Oh, I love this. This is like a cotton type lace. Oh wow, this is more like a fabric. I love this. Beautiful. And here's more light. I don't think that is peach. I think this is more of a beige or like a coffee dyed, light coffee dyed. Okay, the bag doesn't want to open, it ripped. There you go. Oh, this is very unusual. It's like a tan and white mix on the same lace. That's very unique. I love this. Wow. I know my camera's not picking it up, doing it justice, but it is what it is. That's all I have. Oh, this is cool. Beautiful selections. Oh, look, this is the one you can put the ribbon through. I love these. I buy these at every auction I go to because I can't get it here. Yeah, I have limited resources. You know, you would think a town as big as Tampa, we could have a lot of places we can go to buy craft supplies. Well, we have Michael's, and you know what their lace is. I have a Hobby Lobby. It's about an hour and a half away. This is so neat looking. I love this too. So thank you so much, Deborah. I will use every piece of this lace without fail, and I love it all. And I do so very much appreciate it, and it really came on a day that I just needed something to cheer me up. So thank you. Okay guys, if my voice clears up by tomorrow, I'm going to try to go live because I haven't been able to go for a while. I'll stay out for a store tomorrow and then maybe I can talk. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, guys.